Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Canvadesign Pro. In today's video, I will guide you to get animated effects. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel. First of all, open Canva and select videos on home page. A blank video page will be opened. Now in the left side, click on the elements and search shapes and choose this square shape. Now adjust the size of square shape. Now again go to the elements and search motorbike. After this, add a motorbike in your video. Adjust the size of motorbike. Now click on the square shape, go to the color and change its color to black. Now go to the animate and select this rise effect. Scroll down and now change the speed. Click on the bike to apply animate effect. Scroll down and choose this tumble effect. Adjust the speed of bike. So your final video is ready. Thanks for watching me. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe my channel Canvadesign Pro.